All right. There we go. What do you think? Heck yeah. All right, so updated news on the XJ. This thing drives like a friggin' broken ship. It's bad. It needs some help. So on the you can feel the actual tie rod ends lock out, you know, because they're loose. On the gravel, it's not so bad, but it does need some help. So I'm pretty sure it's towed out pretty good. It needs to be towed in. On the gravel here, it isn't such a big deal because the tires can skate through the gravel, really no problem. But once you're out on the pavement, this thing wants to wander and jerk pretty good. That's how I can feel that the tie rod ends are pretty much wasted on it. But you know, whatever. What do you expect from junkyard parts? You know, first gen or second gen Ram, that's awesome. Yeah, so anyway, I think if I tow this thing in, I'm gonna order some parts online because I went to the parts store yesterday to get some, you know, to check out the tie rod end links and stuff for it. Moog wants $150 for one tie rod end. So I was like, oh, that's pretty insane. And then the other ones were in the $70 range. So each one was 70, and then the one, I don't remember which one it was, 150 bucks. So, you know, I went on the interwebs and found some, you know, Rock Auto ones for 25. That seems more accurate to like what I remember paying. I don't know how good they are or whatever, but even there, the Moog one wasn't 150 bucks. I think it was like 50, something like that. So anyway, she's doing pretty good. She's got some bump steer, so I'll have to address that. I haven't ever really had to deal with bump steer before, so I don't know. We'll work on it. It is kind of pulling a little bit to the right, just a tad bit. Nothing too crazy. You can see it drifting. Some of it's crowding the road, but it'll do it on the, you know, it'll pull pretty good on the pavement. Anywho, that's the way it goes. It's a rainy, cold, kind of crappy day out here today. It's not really, you know, that nice. So that's it. Update on the XJ. Get some front end parts on order. Get this sucker sorted out.